Hello everyone, I am Ashwin from CSE department. We are going to see the simulation of the push button and LED interface with ARM controller and Proteus in the programming microcontroller subject. The aim is to interface a digital output LED and digital input push button to ARM development board and stimulate it in the Proteus. The components we required is STM32 CUBE IDE and Proteus 8 simulator. The procedure as we see in the STM32. Firstly, we are going to create a new project and open the IOC file and give the input in the PC13 as the input GPIO input and PA5 as the GPIO output and save the file and execute the main function of the C program and create the necessary changes as the include function is included and standard boolean is included and the push button function is created. Inside that function, the necessary conditions are given. The button status equal to the pin 13 is given and the if condition, the pin is set and else condition, the pin is resetted. The while condition, the push button function is executed inside the main function. When the necessary changes are done and saved and create the X file for the C program, the properties and the settings and the PC and convert to the X file option is applied and closed. We can see the file in the debug folder. Inside it, the X file is created successfully. Nextly, we are going to create the Proteus simulation for this. We are going to select the A4 and give the next command, next, and create the file. We are going to firstly import the STM32F401 RB. This board is imported. Nextly, we are going to import the LED BIBY. LED BIBY is imported. And the button is also imported. The push button is imported successfully. And we are going to give the ground connection to each of the following. And connect them with the wires. And we are going to see how to give the connections. As the STM32, we are given the PC13 as the input and PA5 as the output. So we are going to give the input as PC13. PC13 is selected and given as the input to the button. And we are going to give the PA5 as the output. As we could see, PA5 as the output to the LED bulb. The necessary connections are done, and after that we are going to import that X file to the following. The X file is in the STM folder. The experiment 1, we could see in the debug folder the X file. It is successfully imported and we are executed it successfully. Then we are going to run the program and if we click the button, the LED will glow. You can see that this is the successful operations we have done. And finally, for the result, after executing the program, we could get the Proteus output as the following. And the result, the interfacing a digital output and digital input with ARM microcontroller are simulated in Proteus and the results are verified successfully. We could see the output as the LED glow properly. Thank you.